Ingredients and preparation for smoked brisket. Ingredients: 1. Brisket, a whole packer brisket, preferably 14 pounds. 2. Dry rub. 1/4 cup kosher salt. 1/4 cup black pepper. 1/4 cup smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. Optional, additional spices like cayenne pepper for heat. 3. Wood chips. Choose your favorite. Hickory, oak, or mesquite are popular for brisket. Preparation steps. 1. Prepare the brisket. Trim the brisket, removing excess fat while leaving about 1/4 inch on the fat cap. This helps to keep the meat moist during cooking. 2. Apply the dry rub. Generously coat the brisket with the dry rub, ensuring it's well covered on all sides. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for at least 12 hours or overnight for maximum flavor. 3. Preheat the smoker. Set your smoker to a temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 107 degrees Celsius. Soak wood chips in water for about 30 minutes if using them, then add them to the smoker. 4. Smoke the brisket. Place the brisket in the smoker, fat side up, and smoke for about 8 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. This allows a dark bark to form on the outside of the meat. 5. Wrap the brisket. Once it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, wrap the brisket tightly in butcher paper, or foil if you don't have paper, to retain moisture. Continue smoking until the internal temperature reaches 202 degrees Fahrenheit, 94 degrees Celsius, and the meat is tender, which may take an additional 4-5 hours. 6. Rest the brisket. After smoking, let the wrapped brisket rest at room temperature for at least 1 hour. This helps redistribute the juices throughout the meat. 7. Slice and serve. Cut the brisket against the grain into thin slices for serving. This smoked brisket recipe results in a tender and flavorful dish that's perfect for gatherings. Hope you enjoy this dish.